Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how can you repost on Instagram. The process is quite simple and effortless. For reposting on Instagram you need additional app and the name of that app is Reposta. You can download this application from the Google Play Store and I think it's also available on Apple Store. First download this application and after this, simply open your Instagram app and look for your post, which you want to repost on Instagram. For an example, I will repost this on my Instagram. Tap on this arrow icon, which can you find just bottom to this post. Copy the link of this post by tapping on this copy link. Closed Instagram application, and open this Reposta. And you will see the option copy link and click here, tap on this. It will ask to log in to your Instagram account. Tap on this option, log in, and write here your username. After writing your username, write your password. After writing, log in to your Instagram account. Now I log in my Instagram account within this application. Now again, tap on this option, copy link, and click here. It start processing again. So you can see from here, this is the same post which I copied from Instagram. In addition, I will show you that again. You can see now, go back to your Reposta app. And here is the option, copy caption. If you also want a copy caption from that post, then simply turn it on. But if you don't want, then let it be off. After this, you can also download this by tapping on this download, but we will repost this on Instagram. So that's why I'm tapping on the option, repost. Look here for your Instagram feed. So here's my Instagram feed. You can also upload this to your stories and chat. But as I said before, I will post this on my Instagram, so that's why I'm tapping on this feed now. I am redirecting to my Instagram. From here, tap on this arrow icon, which is at the top, right. Now, if you want to add music, you can add and also you can put some effects from here, but I will not apply anything, so I'm tapping on this next icon. From here, if you want to change something, then change by yourself, and on the last tap on the option share. So you can see I repost this on my Instagram. By using this method, you can repost anything on Instagram.